We know that an infrared sauna is an investment towards your health. And like with any investment, getting the most out of it is important. That's why we've put together a comprehensive guide with 5 tips that will help you do just that. Number 1, wear comfortable clothing. Too many layers can leave you feeling excessively hot and may lead to unintended consequences, like hyperthermia. Wearing something loose and lightweight allows your body to breathe during an infrared session. Some great examples of sauna attire include swimsuits, light athletic gear, bathrobes, towel wraps, or nothing at all. Once you find the right attire, our number 2 tip recommends that you spend 20 to 40 minutes in your infrared sauna, but no longer than 1 hour. If you've never used an infrared sauna before, you can start with 10 minutes and slowly increase the duration as your body gets accustomed to the heat. A proper session dilates blood vessels, which increases circulation and stimulates the release of endorphins. Number 3, stay hydrated. It's extremely important to drink water before, during, and after your infrared sauna session. Experts recommend drinking about 4 cups of water per session to replace what's been lost through perspiration. Water also helps accelerate toxin removal through your digestive system. At number 4, we suggest taking a shower immediately after a session. By doing so, you're effectively rinsing away all the toxins you've sweated out. Otherwise, you risk reabsorbing those same toxins back into your body. Our 5th and last tip suggests you enjoy your infrared sauna at least 2 to 3 times a week. Remember that consistency is key. Incorporate all these tips into your sauna regimen, and all its amazing health benefits will follow.